morning, everyone. Let's learn the phrasal verb get on and get off the bus. Okay, so this is a lesson about phrasal verbs, which is a bit confusing for some learners. I'm going to explain it to you by drawing. So this is a bus. Okay, well, it looks like a bus. Okay, the wheels. Let's draw the windows. Okay, and this is the driver here. Okay, and okay, bus. Okay, this is a bus. Now we have a figure here, a stick figure. This is a stick figure. This represents a person. Okay, and this person is about to get on the bus. Okay, this person is getting on the bus. Get on. Get on the bus. Get on the bus. Okay, now, on the other hand, okay, let's draw another one. Okay, another bus here. Okay, the wheels. Let's draw the windows. And the driver is here. Okay, bus. And now for this one, this is about the person that is getting off the bus. Okay, so the person who is inside is getting off the bus. Get off. Okay, this is get off the bus. Okay, get off the bus. I'm just gonna underline this. Okay, get on the bus. Okay, get on the bus. And now the opposite is get off the bus. Get off the bus. Okay, so I hope that's clear. I hope that's clear now. Follow us for more fun English, okay?